because it's not you. She already knows she's perfect. I say it plenty of times.
He does.
See? Is this tea cool enough yet?
Dad, 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 make it fab.
Dab, 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 make it fab.
That's simply not logical. Nat and I always quote that. It is in the music, yes. Where'd that cat go? She just went under.
Really? Where are you going?
See?
Don't run away from me.
Go catch her.
Okay. Where are you
She's
going?
gone to go fetch a cat.
Get back here.
We look cute together, apparently, according to Simon. He's left. As soon as you said that, he's gone. He's back. It's fine. Look, they're saying we look cute together.
I'm not even here, though. Enough with the claws. Ew! Hang on. Shh.
You gotta hold her like...
I know. That's why I'm trying to hand her to you. That was the whole thing.
Yeah, they were fine, Dobby.
She's just hungry.
Why is she hungry? It's not dinner time yet. Oh.
Ah! Ow!
You okay?
What the heck was that for? I put a hole in my shirt.
Paint Mitch squishing Marty. Yeah. Oh my god.
There's an idea.
Oh my god, you know how hard that would be.
I could do it.
Go on then.
Oh, well, you gotta get the picture.
Good thing I can sew. Yeah, I can sew. She put a hole in it. Did she?
It sounded like it.
No, it's fine.
Is that
You have cat fur all over you now. Look at you, you're a mess. It's such a similar pose.
It would be a really good painting, though. If it was me with Marty, come on.
Do you miss the painting?
A little bit, yeah. I mean...
But you have the real thing.
That's
like,
why
you literally have.
That's why I said a little bit. Jeez. But you have the real thing. Yes, I know. But when I'm painting, I look over and my painting's there.
Yeah, but you can look over and I.
It's the painting, though. Do you understand? Do I miss the painting? Not Jacqueline.
Mm-hmm.
Did I not understand the question here?
Do you want a shovel?
I don't need a shovel for this. Absolutely not.
Oh my gosh. Do you want me to just leave this up here?
Mm-hmm. I do miss the painting.
No, you didn't smell. You're fine. Yeah, X-File has lots of shovels. Do you want your ear back?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Yeah, it's squeaky. Why? My cheeks hurt. Sharing earphones. I know we're adorable. X-Files having the time of his life. I loved watching the Galactiverse in Discord just go nuts. Like, we left him hanging for like 2 days, and I was like, "Hey, would you like an update?" And then I said nothing.
You trolls.
We look amazing together. Oh, thank you so much.
Hey, thanks, Bolt.
We just trolls.
What was torture?
Oh god, it was hilarious.
I said to go another day. Like as soon as she said, "Do you want an update?" I'm like, "Go at least like 24 hours
We had to stream.
before saying anything." Would you look at this shit?
Oh my god. Do you know what's funny? We actually mentioned X-File losing his shit. Like,
Mm-hmm.
like, oh my god, X-File's probably going insane.
As soon as you post an update, X-File is typing.
Yeah. It was so funny. Because it was so instant too, that one time. It's like straight away, X-File is typing. And now. Oh gosh. There were so many people just invested. I can't clip you. God damn it.
It's my silver bullet. You can't clip me doing the shimmy.
No, and you do that all the time too. Just like, God. I could like film you, but then that's not the same.
You are.
You know what I mean? Like when you do it just in general. Like at the dinner table. But
I don't notice. I don't notice when I do it though.
Yeah, I know.
That's why I mean,